Every second, someone somewhere buys fast food. But have you ever wondered why it's so hard to resist? The fast food industry earns billions of dollars every year, and competition is fierce. Behind every popular product, there's a team of scientists.
They study flavors, textures, and aromas, searching for perfection. The goal is simple: find the perfect balance of sugar, salt, and fat. When this balance is achieved, your brain responds immediately.
A reward chemical called dopamine is released. That feeling of satisfaction keeps you coming back. But the science doesn't stop with food. It continues in advertising. Every photo is designed to look irresistible.
Bright colors attract attention instantly. Now, food arrives faster than ever before. Fast food has become a global phenomenon. Yet, not all foods affect the body the same way. Every meal is a choice, and every choice has consequences. The next time you crave fast food, remember this: you're not just fighting hunger, you're fighting billions of dollars of science and marketing.